in harmony with nature, insights for a sustainable future. Biodiversity is essential for ecosystem stability, supporting food security and climate resilience. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind reduce carbon footprints, promoting cleaner air and water. Adopting sustainable practices, such as recycling and composting, helps minimize waste and conserve resources. Human activities, like deforestation, disrupt ecosystems, leading to loss of species and natural balance. Aligning our lifestyles with nature fosters a healthier planet and supports future generations' needs. Join us in creating a sustainable future for all.